Welcome back to Smart Home IQ. Today we are diving into the world of home security with a countdown of the top 6 video doorbells of 2023. These innovative devices are changing the game when it comes to protecting our homes and loved ones. So, let's jump right in and explore our top picks for ultimate security. First up on our list at number 6 is the Blink Video Doorbell. This makes the list mainly due to value, as this is an excellent product while being priced at around $60. The Blink Video Doorbell offers 1080p HD video combined with infrared night video and two-way audio. It can be connected to existing doorbell wiring or be battery operated and works with Alexa. Video can be shared in the cloud for a subscription fee or stored locally with a sync module sold separately. Next up at number 5 is the eufy Security Battery Video Doorbell Camera C210 kit, priced at around $100. This device is battery powered and works with Alexa while capturing video in 1080p. There are no subscription fees with eufy. All data is stored locally on a micro SD card which is sold separately. The only clear knock on this product is the low light technology is not quite as good as the night vision offered by others on this list. At number 4, we have the wireless AOSU doorbell camera, priced at around $120. This product offers triple motion detection and infrared night vision. It works with both Alexa and Google Assistant. This product offers a 166-degree field of view with 5 megapixels video capture resolution. This doorbell offers 60 days of loop recording stored locally with a built-in 8GB memory card. The number 3 ranked video doorbell is Arlo Essential Video Doorbell, priced at around $100. No wiring is required with this product, which works with Alexa and Google Assistant. Video can be stored on the Arlo base station sold separately. This product offers HD video with a 180-degree field of view. Other pluses include night vision with a motion sensor which automatically saves video prior to motion trigger. Coming in at number 2 is the Ring Video Doorbell, coming in at around $100. This product works with Alexa while providing 1080p HD video. Video can be recorded and saved for up to 180 days with a subscription to the Ring Protect plan. This device can trigger alerts on your phone or have your compatible Alexa devices ring when appropriate. The product can be installed with your current doorbell battery or be battery powered. Coming in at number 1 is the battery-operated Google Nest Video Doorbell, priced at around $175. This device works with both Alexa and Google Assistant. It automatically saves 3 hours of video and up to 60 days of video with a Nest subscription. Night color vision is included with motion detection. This product has the ability to tell the difference between a person, package, or an animal. It will also continue to work for up to 1 hour if your Wi-Fi goes down. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed the content.